Hola creative souls, welcome to my channel, and today we are gonna do DIY wall hanging. So let's get started. So basically, first of all, I have taken a cardboard over here, and the height of this will be 9 centimeter and width will be approximately 30 centimeter. So once it's done, you have to just cut it down into 3 pieces. So the size may vary according to your convenience, and once it's done you have to just paint the cardboard, and if you do not have paint then use any of the color paper to cover the cardboard. So here I have paint, so I have painted it and it will look something like this. So once it's done, what we are going to do is write down any of the thing that you like, such as here I am writing the creative soul. You can write anything that motivates you, or you want something to be on your wall and you want to just cherish it. So you can do it according to your convenience or whatever you desire. So once it's done, it will look something like this. So as you can now see that there are some of the portions which need to be finished or which need to be much cleaner. So for that, what I'm going to do is use quilling papers, and for those who do not have quilling papers, they can just cut down any of the paper into a strip and just stick it over the top and the bottom portion of the rectangular block. Here you have to do this process in each of the blocks. Once it's done, this is what it looks like. So after that, what you have to do is turn over the blocks, and now I have cut down a strip of a cardboard, and what we are going to do is we have to stick it over it, and we have to maintain a particular distance. Here I have taken 3 to 4 centimeter of gap between each rectangular block. Now what we are going to do is just stick this strip over the blocks. You can use cello tape or you can use any of the adhesive to just stick it. Once it's done, it will look like this. And now what we are going to do is just take a piece of paper, roll it down in a cylindrical shape and just stick it over the topmost block, and same you have to do on the other side. Once it's done, take a ribbon and just cut a piece of it, and you have to just tie it over the vertical roll, and you have to do the same thing on the other side too. To make it more strong, just tape it down, and after that just tie the ribbons. And I'm taking another piece of ribbon and tying it over the topmost region to get a circular portion. And now cut a circular piece of paper and just stick it on the middle of that. Now just take a bunch of ribbon pieces, tie it down, and we have to just stick it on the lower portion of our whole hanging. So yes, our wall hanging is ready. So I have used some of the pieces, circular pieces paper, so that it looks more attractive. You can make it look more attractive by adding your creativity. So similarly, I have made another hanging also, which looks something like this. Hope you guys have loved this video, and do subscribe if you like my content, and more videos on the way. And do subscribe, like and share, and do not forget to clean the mess.